the greatest thing that I took from him was...
And you can't hit it better than that. You start that in and leave the rest to me. Just immense skill this man has.
And the helicopter shot. And the helicopter shot.
Party time. Where do you want me to hit it next? I think I'll go long on. Bit of a bloodbath here. Oh, goodness.
Swung.
Over his head, parts his hair.
He's bowled at 130 Ks. I'd love to know what it came back at.
Dhoni this time, my goodness. Well, I don't know if I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. 44 gone here at AMI, 320. Interesting.
As long as Mahendra Singh Dhoni is out there to bat for them. Stand and deliver. Easily done.
How good a shot is that? Now he's been sent in to take the pressure off Yuvraj. Yuvraj has to now anchor the innings. Dhoni is to take the few risks that need to be taken, a boundary and over at least. But wow. See, the good thing about him, Ramiz, is he hits straight. He doesn't like to hit across the line, so that's why the consistency. It's a powerful hitter.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fielder trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do.